solution for the problems faced by the students and the warden for filling up and signing the outpass. For each and every outing, the students have to get a written permission from the warden for allowing them to go out of the university for some time. The process of signing an outpass is very problematic and requires a lot of time. The students have to stand in long queues and wait for even up to 20 minutes to get their outpass filled. Later, the guards have to run after respective wardens to get their outpass signed. On weekends, the outpass requests can even go up to 100 to 150. Imagine signing 100 and 150 outpass in a day. Later, while exiting the university, the students have to fill up the same details in the register at the main gate, which requires a whole lot of time as we have to stand in a long queue. Imagine, right, 100 students standing in a long queue to write the same things again and again. My friends will further show how the program works.
And now I'm going to enact as a student trying to fill up the form. Now I'm going to show you how we are going to fill the out form. I'm filling up my details. Now I have to enter my email ID on which I'm supposed to get the outpass. Now, now, I have to enter my password. Now the mail has been sent.
Now I'm going to act as a warden and then accept the student's request. Now if the student sends me a request regarding the outpass, I'll receive a mail from the student's mail about this. As you can see, I have received a mail from the respected student. Now I just download the file. And now as you can see, I've received this text file over here which contains all the details of the student. And now if I run the program, you can see all the details of the student have appeared here. And now I'll just press enter if I want to just send the student. Now you can see the QR code has been generated, and if I just press enter, the QR code will reach the student's mail. Now you can see the mail has been sent, and then I have even created an Excel sheet which contains the name and the details of the student. As you can see, the name of the student and his enrollment number. All this will be stored, and the warden will have all this information.
Now you can see that I have received a QR code containing all of my details.
So now I'll scan the QR code. The QR code contains all my details.
Our project reduces the manual load of the students, wardens as well as the guards. All the students have to do is just fill up their forms and that's it, their job is done. No more running after the guards and the wardens. Warden no longer needs to sign all the outpasses. Just one click and the job is done.
We plan to upgrade the program in such a way that it will be able to send text verification and email authorization from the parents. A whole lot of things can be done in this project, and this is just a beginning.